Happy weekend, everybody. My name's Steven and I'm with Cannin.com, and here we are to learn more technical analyses. This week we're looking at another giant of the industry, Canopy Growth, and it's been subject to quite a lot of tough times. Let's take a look at the pricing chart. I'm going to zoom way out until about the beginning of 2020. You can see we're up about $25. This is CGC, the ticker that trades on the NASDAQ. Or in the NYSE. This is trending down, 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 down. You can see all the way now we're at $9 is the low, and we're currently trading in the 13s. So pretty tough times, just like a lot of stocks in general, not only cannabis stocks. You can see there's a lot going on here. We're going to look at the RSI right now. That's pretty easy to understand. We've seen that many times. It identifies periods of overbought or oversold. You can see after this huge drop, we were definitely in the oversold period, crossed back over March 19th, and you can see we've gained back a little bit here. We're also looking at the Aroon up and down. You can see that the up is orange, the down is blue. Pretty easy. This is just the period of time since the pricing chart registered its highs or its lows. So when the Aroon up, which is orange, is above the Aroon down, that's a signal to buy. When it's the opposite, that's a signal to sell. So you can see we just had a crossover. We're just getting a sell signal right now from the Aroon indicator. And we also have a bunch of SMAs here, smooth moving averages, the 10 period, 50 period, 100 and 200 periods. And we're just going to confirm looking for death crosses or iron crosses. We're going to watch when the lower period crosses either above or below a longer term period. So you can see, if I can move this, you can see the two longest periods are blue and purple. Purple is the 200 period. The 100 period is blue. You can see the 100 period, which in this case is the short-term period, crossed below the purple right here. That was a death cross. You can see that death cross, we actually got some gains back, which is interesting. Much more recently, our shortest period, which is the 10 period, the red line, and the green period, which is the 50 period, you can see we had the short period cross above the long period. So also very telling. So we're kind of getting opposite signals here on the 31st and into April from the Aroon and the smooth moving averages, all while the RSA is telling us nothing is pretty much overbought or oversold. So conflicting signals isn't atypical, especially when you use so many indicators. So that's definitely why we recommend finding your favorite indicators, the ones you understand the most, the ones that work the best for you, and using those most often, and only waiting until they agree with each other and then acting. CGC is in for a tough ride. They're kind of subject to market dynamics and market fear right now. We are getting some short-term negative signals here and here, and a positive signal here. So we're going to wait for those signals to align before we act. Right now, we're going to do nothing, which was a similar trend from our fundamental analysis this week. So thank you for learning with us. Leave me any questions or other companies you want to analyze in the comments.